It's all like. My shoe, you see this? My shoe fell off. My shoe fell off! Okay, and... Okay.
Holy, this sucker will come off, won't it?
Yeah.
Blacking will come
This
off.
is a production by Beller and Chelsea. Yay!
Hello, hi.
Hello, Chelsea. How are you today?
Fine, you?
I'm just peachy.
That's great.
How has your life been lately?
Well, I want to go camping with Lindy, but I don't know if I'm going to be allowed.
Well, you better be allowed because I'm sure that Lindy would love it if you came.
I know, she's like my best friend.
Yeah, dude. So guess what? I hear that Lindy and Chelsea and Tessa are all going to the kindergarten tomorrow.
Yep.
I hear that Lindy hopes that Katara is there because Katara has left the last two meetings.
Meetings? Oh yes, Katara. She's so cute. Chelsea's kid Maya is mean.
Maya plays soccer against Emily's team because Lindy went to go watch it. She told me all about it.
Maya doesn't like Chelsea. She only likes Tessa because Tessa always talks to her.
That's lame. I'm thinking that my left side is going to talk now.
Cool, me too.
Goodbye.
Bye.
No.
Hello! How are you today?
That's fine.
That's great! Today I got new dentures.
That's nice.
Me too! Wow! I like them a lot. They sure do look pretty.
Yes, they look very attractive.
Just like me in my younger days. Do you remember your younger days?
Yes, I do. But I'm still young, you self-little grandma.
I'm a grandpa.
Sorry, I thought you were a grandma.
How old are you?
14.
Wow!
Dipshit.
I am 369 years old.
69.
No, 369.
Oh, I thought you said 69.
Nope, I'm not that disgusting.
Do you know what 69 means?
Oh yes, I think I'm going to go do it now. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, Wendy. Hello, other sock. How are you? Good, you? Just wonderful. That's great. What do you want to talk about? Let's talk about Hannah Montana. Yes, Hannah Montana. I love Hannah Montana. She's my favorite pop star. Me too. I love her so much. Me too. I could just sing a song, but I don't feel like it because my voice is old. Me too. Holy crap. You get the best of both worlds. Chill it out, take it slow, then you rock out the show.